In Judge Vonda's courtroom, appearances carry no weight and excuses collapse instantly. Parents may try to hide behind lies, inflated lifestyles, or carefully crafted stories, but the truth always breaks through, and when it does, it exposes just how far some will go to escape the responsibility of supporting their own child.
Okay, Miss Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However,
some parents reach shocking extremes to dodge accountability. They'll hide children, falsify addresses, flaunt fake lives on social.
that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay. Any objection?
Social media, or even spin outright lies under oath. But none of it holds up under Judge Vonda's scrutiny. No matter how elaborate the deception, the truth—
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that. I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
finds its way to the surface, and the results are rarely flattering for the one trying to conceal it. Today's case is a perfect example. A father steps forward, not driven by greed or resentment, but by genuine concern for his 12-year-old daughter. He shares custody and already—
Don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you. And I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
He provides health insurance, steady support, and stability. His request isn't outrageous. He simply asks the mother to contribute fairly as their daughter's needs grow: sports, school functions, activities, friendships. These are real costs, and he just wants them shared.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an—
On the surface, it should be straightforward. Parenting is a shared duty. But what begins as a simple request quickly spirals into something else. The mother enters the courtroom with a story that raises eyebrows immediately. She isn't struggling, nor is she—
It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asked, he asked at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Without support. She is remarried, and not to just anyone. Her new husband is the CEO of a major energy company, a man living a life of extraordinary wealth. He drives a $200,000 car. They live in comfort most people—
Scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted—
Mean to him? I mean, what's the— I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and I
could never imagine. Yet, she claims she is financially broke. Her reasoning? She doesn't have direct access to her husband's fortune. Instead, she says she receives a $500 weekly allowance, $2,000 a month. And somehow, she—
happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Could I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about
Insists that isn't enough to help support her daughter. The contradiction is glaring. How can someone living in affluence, surrounded by luxury, argue poverty when it comes to their own child? Her arguments go further. She says she once sacrificed her education during a prior marriage, and because of that, she should.
Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together?
What do you?
You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support.
Now be expected to contribute financially. Judge Vonda listens, but her face makes it clear. Personal sacrifice is not a free pass from parental responsibility. Then comes the most jarring moment. Within the same testimony,
Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
the mother complains about financial hardship while proudly highlighting her husband's luxury car, their spacious home, and their comfortable life. One moment she pleads poverty, the next
All right, Miss Drummer, you're back.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good morning. And you're back. Wait a minute.
Probably a little bit more bitter today.
Wait a minute.
she flaunts privilege. The hypocrisy is impossible to ignore. Through it all, the father stays calm. No theatrics, no manipulation.
What's that ring on your finger?
Listen, like I told
Y'all got married? So I don't have to do child support today?
No, well, see what happened was, I told
I'm
you,
confused.
She was jealous because I was dating. And
Okay.
so me and my young lady, we went ahead and we did that thing.
Just a clear, honest statement. Her husband's money isn't mine. I just want help with our kid. His words cut through.
Okay, so the
The
three
lady
kids.
doesn't even speak English, ma'am. And look, Judge.
Listen, she is from, she's listen, okay, she's, from Venezuela.
They're not in love. This is,
Okay.
she's paying him to marry.
Afro-Venezuelan lady, you should see, just.
For a green
Okay,
card.
so let me just make sure that I follow you.
Yeah.
So the woman you married is not one of the women with the 3 kids you already have? It's a yes or no?
No.
Okay. And the 2 of you aren't married?
No.
Okay. This is
The noise. He isn't asking for luxury. He isn't trying to benefit from another man's wealth. His only
so I have the DNA results and you are indeed the father.
That's all good.
I told you. He looks just like you.
Well, you know what? You and your brother look just alike too.
Well,
okay?
I mean,
All right.
that's what
they
say.
well, should they look alike if, they're related?
Listen. I don't have a problem taking care of my kids. My kids is laced with the best looking clothes. Have you seen my kids?
No,
Fly,
but you know
fresh.
what I do want to see.
only concern is his daughter and making sure she is supported by both parents. And that is where Judge Vonda draws the line. Wealth, status, and appearances.
What I want to draw your attention to are these documents that you gave me so we can see how much your child support obligation is about to be. Make it quick.
Doing that, I got a few kids. I just got back from my honeymoon. Funds are a little bit tight, so
She's paying him. He got the money. She bought a green card.
We in a recession. It's a lot going on right now. I haven't been laying as much pipe as I
Right, and a lot is going on with you doing a whole lot of talking and not saying much of anything. So what I would like to do
mean nothing here. What matters is a child's right to stability, security, and the love and support of both parents.
I do not
And
need
your mama
you.
tell her she
Excuse
better
me,
still, refer
Miss
to my
Drummer.
kid.
Miss Drummer, I do not need your help. Okay, not at all. If
Sorry,
you want
Judge.
me to help you and get
Keep my
some
mama
support
out.
going for you, then you need to not entertain him as much. Okay,
She just mad.
you understand that? You're just mad too.
Well,
You're just mad because these numbers are not about to look real good with your recession that you have going over there. But
At the end of the day, this case isn't about allowances, cars, or houses. It's about a child. A child
how much money do you make a year?
I mean, before, expenses and taxes.
That was not my question, sir. How much money do you make a year?
$65,000. But I have to pay for gas and pipe and PVC.
Oh,
it's
okay.
so much stuff that I have to pay for, Judge.
Right.
Oh, right. Just like anybody else has to pay for things. So, $65,000 a year. I have your gross calculated at $5,416. That would bring your net down to $4,383.
Who deserves both parents stepping up. And in Judge Vonda's courtroom, that principle always wins.
And how many, you said you all have 2 children. 2. You have 3 previously. So, all right, based on 19%, you're going to get a credit for that. Child support is, don't thank me yet. Child support is $832.
Some parents reach shocking extremes to dodge accountability. They'll hide children, falsify addresses, flaunt fake lives on social media, or even spin outright.
No.
Now,
Thank you.
Ms. Drummer, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
All right, how much is health insurance?
$236 for both.
Take them kids
For
down to
both
the county
children?
hospital.
Yes.
Okay. $832 plus the $236 for health insurance. You're going to reimburse that. That comes out to $1,068 a month for child support.
So her and Pickle and Pepperman can kick.
8 lies under oath. But none of it holds up under Judge Vonda's scrutiny. No matter how elaborate the deception, the truth finds its way to the surface, and the results are rarely flattering for the one trying to conceal it. Today's case is a perfect example. A father steps forward, not driven by greed or resentment, but by genuine concern for his 12-year-old daughter. He shares custody and already provides health insurance, steady support, and stability. His request isn't outrageous. He simply asks the mother to contribute fairly as their daughter's needs grow: sports, school functions, activities, friendships. These are real costs, and he just wants them shared. On the surface, it should be straightforward. Parenting.
All she gonna use it for? I buy all the kids' clothes.
Judge, I have moved on. I have an electrician
He
now.
has too.
I don't even need no more plumbers.
Okay. Well, guess what? And I don't need to see either of you anymore because I made my ruling. So is there anything further?
No.
Parenting is a shared duty. But what begins as a simple request quickly spirals into something else. The mother enters the courtroom with a story that raises eyebrows immediately.
Anything further?
Can I speak to your manager?
Is there anything?
She isn't struggling, nor is she without support. She is remarried, and not to just anyone. Her new husband is the CEO of a major energy company, a man living alone.
Further, sir?
No,
If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Life of extraordinary wealth. He drives a $200,000 car. They live in comfort most people could never imagine. Yet, she claims she is financially broke. Her reasoning? She doesn't have direct access to her husband's fortune. Instead, she says she receives a $500 weekly allowance, $2,000 a month. And somehow, she insists, that isn't enough to help